Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you are facing screen resolution or display resolution issue on Windows 11, in this video, let's fix this issue. First, right click on the desktop. Then click on this option, display settings. Now you will see this option, scale and layout. In the scale option, make sure the option is selected as the recommended one. Okay. Now in the display resolution, select the high-end resolution and check. So I'm still getting the same issue as you can see. So try with a different resolution and check. But if you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next step. Scroll down and you will see this option, advanced display. Click on it. Now here you will get this option, display adapter properties. Click on it. Now click on this properties option. After that, click on the second tab, driver. Now here, if you have this option available, rollback driver, click on it. So this will roll back the previous driver. Wait for a few seconds. So this will roll back the previous driver, and in the most cases this will fix the error, and you can see the issue has been fixed. Now the display resolution issue has been fixed. But if you are still getting the same issue, you can move on to the second step. Click on this option, update driver. If you are still getting the same issue, click on this option, update driver. Now try to update your display driver. So click on this option, search automatically. So this will try to update your graphic driver. Click on close. Click on close. Now after that, restart your system and check. Now move on to the final method you can try. Update your operating system and check if there is any graphic driver updates are available. I will show you how to check. Click on this Windows icon and in the search box, type Windows Update. You will get this option, Windows Update Settings. Click on it. First, update your operating system. Now I will check if there is any update available for my graphic driver. So click on this advanced option. Now click on optional updates. And here you can see one update is available, driver update. If I click on it, and here you can see the display updates are available. So take this option. So this will update your graphic driver, your display driver. Take this option, then click on download and install. And now you can see downloading in process. So check for Windows Update as well. So these are the steps you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.